Hello, my name is Jorge Nieto, and welcome to a quick study guide on fossil fuels and carbon. Fossil fuels are plants that grew hundreds of millions of years ago that were buried before the carbon in them could be decomposed. These include materials such as oil, natural gas, and coal. This is what allows us to use the amount of energy that is needed to power our technology and maintain our current standards of living. It is what allows us to travel wherever we want, to warm our homes, to power our tools. However, with these sources that contain large amounts of energy, we are also contributing to global climate change, where the planet is warming and can have negative effects of it. The fossil fuels release greenhouse gases when used, specifically carbon dioxide, which is released after its combustion. The carbon that is released has a capacity to hold on to heat, also known as energy, when light is reflected off the planet back into space. As a result, the energy leaving the planet is less than what it is going into it. Therefore, the planet will warm to ensure that there is a balance again. On the individual level, the impact of it may be very small. When used on a global scale, it starts to add up. There's currently an equilibrium between the atmosphere, the land, and the ocean, where there is an equal exchange of carbon, which is measured in gigatons or GTC. The atmosphere contains approximately 740 gigatons, the land biosphere contains about 2000 gigatons, where the ocean can be split into two layers. The top next layer has 1000, while the deep ocean has 38,000 GTC. Though these biospheres each contain different amounts of GTC, there is an equal balance of in and out into each of these biospheres. For example, photosynthesis and respiration each remove and return 100 GTC from the land to the atmosphere and back. Ocean does a very similar technique where it's also 100 GTC from the ocean to the atmosphere and from the atmosphere to the ocean. However, with the use of fossil fuels, there is a perturbation to this equilibrium of 9 GTC per year, where 50% of it goes to the atmosphere, leading to an increase in atmospheric CO2, where 25% goes to the land, and the other 25 goes to the ocean. Furthermore, from the increase in CO2, the water becomes more acidic, where the ocean life is affected, such as coral reefs. The more it becomes acidic, the less ability it can hold CO2. With more CO2 in the planet, the atmosphere has more carbon, and as previously mentioned, it allows the planet to be warm for a long period of time. As a result, the use of fossil fuels is releasing carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, which is creating a negative effect on the planet. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a good day.